Okay, hello everyone, welcome back. So we are in the middle of making this tactical RPG with JavaScript, and I will just keep making. So today's agenda is the wait turn concept. So we were able to navigate or create a navigation and create navigation for this unit. So correctly calculate where this can go and then make him move. But I'm just seeing some errors, so I'm gonna just fix it first, and then we'll move on to this concept of wait turn concept. Wait turn is the concept that where this tactical RPG decides which unit is up for moving or acting or making like attacks to other units. So basically in tactical RPG, your unit doesn't really move or work or make action every turn. It depends on what your quickness or speed is, and every unit behaves according to that speed. So the unit that has quicker speed will act more frequently than the one that are slower. So that is the concept of this wait turn thing. I'm going to just implement that later in this video. So let me first fix this issue, what is happening. Because I was in the middle of making unit into a class. Right. When did we do that? So we made a unit, the class, at the end of the last video, maybe. Well, I don't actually remember doing that. So unit is now a function. So that's a good thing. We're gonna have a lot of method that we want to implement to each unit. So it's a good move to make this unit of a class instead of just an object. But so clearly, it's a good move to make the update function. Updating the unit parameter should belong to the unit class instead of having it elsewhere. So units is an array of unit, but so unit is an object. Okay, let me reload. So clicking him and finding the path for him is done via stage find path method. So this should actually belong to unit class as well, but I mean it's alright for now. And clicking it should trigger move unit. So I'm gonna rename it actually to unit because everything that's open is index.ts and it's too generic and I can't really distinguish which file is open. So I'm just gonna rename it to unit, and here you go. So constructor, let's see the constructor ID, type, actor, position, direction, speed. Okay. So let me, it's been a while since I left last time. So here what is happening is unit is defined here, right? New unit is defined here, named actor named Tomo unit, and unit position is initial type position. So it's setting the unit position, and I don't think it's a proper move actually. So instead of setting it directly from, I'm just gonna create a new feature boolean position that is xyz. Okay, so this is what I'm gonna do. So this position is position. It's a void actually. Oops, sorry. However, so this is good, and so set position. Why I'm not really making this generic function set and making, instead of set, making a function that set position, because I would think I would like to make each method for updating any types of value of the unit, because setting the value to a unit and getting a value from a unit will be very unique operation. So I would like to make it different. When clicked, it will call the stage to move unit. Okay, so move unit should call the unit. Moving unit is a path. So we do know the path to take, and unit is unit in stage. So unit object is called here. And unit element is called here. So okay, I'm just gonna call it a capital unit, and let's see. Okay, path for each. Okay, so let's copy everything up to here and move it. Move to tile, and I'm going to come back and here and create move to tile. Is a function void, and it's here. So move to point, move to tile, then it should take the path actually. ID, I need it. And so this update, okay, so this position is a path position. That's what's happening. And animation count. This animation count is pass lengths. Okay. Animation count. That can just be animation count. Let's see this position. Cannot invoke an object. Oh, okay. So pass for each path. Parameter path has image. Okay, so it's alright. Well, actually, we do have path type, right? Path system config should be loaded. Sorry. System config. Let's load it. Okay. Click. Move forward. Cannot read the properties of undefined reading position. Unit TS. Position. Okay, so what's path? So path is undefined because it's not passed clearly. So that moved, but it didn't show me the arrow that was supposed to be shown at the end of the move, right? Move to tile. Why are you not doing it? So move to tile will, okay. So that was finished. Then, okay, so unit component has the trigger when animation ended, animation complete. So it will compare the animation count of this unit object and show the triangle. So okay, so this number should actually be saved in the unit property. So do I want to make the animation count as the property of the unit? I don't know, because it's just a system, you know, like variable that's like a very temporary thing. So I would rather do animation complete, remove. So if this is the last animation, then this will be shown. I would rather lose this here and add it at the end of unit. That's done. And set timeout. Oh, sorry. Mac and Windows, it just, you know, messes me around with all the shortcuts and everything. So so set timeout. This L query selector, that's a unit L, right? Yep. Unit L query selector, direction triangle set attributes visible true. So that will happen after all the animations are finished. So that's after this is it. Okay, sorry, this is not really a text. System config movement and times I. Instead of I, let's have animation count. And go to there. So it's not really set. Why is that? Unit L query selector. Unit L is a document. Okay, right. So it should work. So go to move. And so right, it updated the direction, but it failed to update the parameter. Query selector, this is added, set attribute, visible, and then okay, so clicking this, the triangle component is where FM component, unit component. Okay, so if it's a triangle that's clicked, right, so this is the triangle, units update. So this is not right. I'm just gonna quickly define that, even though I kind of removed it once, but just to, you know, quickly get rid of the error, unit ID and data, right? Okay, okay, so it's unit store update array, but doesn't really return array. Let's unit items, sorry, items, unit items map item and if item ID equals to unit ID, then yeah, return data. Map else return the yep, this is it. This is how it should be. Let's get it move and face this way. Done.